Hello guys. Have you ever wondered what are the search terms for your competitor? What keywords are they including in their backend systems? Today I'm going to show you a quick hack on how to exactly find out what your competitors are using as search terms. So you need to copy your competitor's ASIN and open this URL. Before opening the URL, you have to log into your Seller Central. It could be your main account or delegated or child access. So be sure to log into your Seller Central, and I will drop this URL in the comment section below. So replace your is in here. And of course, you can replace the market if you are not selling in UK. So here we have all the details related to your competitor's product. So I will press Control F to find, and I will type generic. So when I type generic, I will get all the backend or generic keywords. So um, here are the keywords that this particular seller is using in this particular product. So their backend systems are quite weird in this case, and I think they are using German keywords here. Also, you can um, find the product, the link to the direct product images of your competitor's product. We can see, confirm. Also, you can find the product description and any platinum keywords that your competitor is using. You can find other useful information. You can extract the information here. Basically, this page shows the information related to this is particularly. I hope you like this quick hack, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.